In this video, we'll be discussing how to add logs to SolarWinds Observability. From the home page, the first step is to click on the Add Data button in the upper right-hand corner. Then, near the bottom of the screen, under the Other section, we'll click on Logs. The first step is to choose whether we want to generate a new token or use an existing token. The two main options for log ingestion in SolarWinds Observability are using an HTTPS endpoint or a syslog endpoint. In this example, we'll be focusing on using the syslog endpoint. There are instructions specific to which operating system we're collecting logs from, either Linux or Windows. And if we choose Linux, the instructions will be around how to configure our syslog to send logs to SolarWinds Observability. If we choose Windows, the instructions will be for using nxlog to send logs to SolarWinds Observability. Once we complete the steps, we can scroll to the bottom and click on View Logs. Alternatively, we could use the left-hand navigation bar and click on Analyze Logs.